30th of May 2023. I'll get this beautiful picture. This is here on Pursimiehenkatu, Pursimiehenkatu 16 staircase 8. We've done the stages B and C here as well, so we can watch all three of them in this building. Here in Punavaari, Rödberg, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaa and Finland. Probably the best of the three ones here.
Yeah.
It's shaft, it's very beautiful. But first, built by ASEA in 1937 or 38, with the serial is 492616. A was built late 1937, C was built late 1937, and the 6A in early 1938.
Yeah.
So you can see through the serial later, but it's
yeah,
either
but,
one.
But staircase C has a bigger serial than A, but still, I think this 1938, but
early 38.
yeah, still.
It's going to be inspected next year, 2024. I hope we can get to the three rides here.
Yeah.
Oh. These three are the best ones. After the 1961 one, much clearer in Punavaari.
Yeah. NPN4 elevators are the third best ones, and 1938 Graham Proteus elevators are the fourth best ones.
Yeah.
Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Pääkaupunkiseudun Hissikeskus.
Mm.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's quite loose.
Mm.
Let's go back to the first one. Please watch the stages B and C here as well.
That's